In this video, I'm going to show you how to create macros in Google Sheets. Launch your Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. From the drop-down menu, click on Sheets. Let's open a document. Suppose you need to do the same work in Google Sheets over and over again. But you can create a macro to do the work for you. This way, you can save a lot of time. In the title bar, click on Extensions. In the drop-down menu, click on Macros. Now, click on Record Macro. A recording menu should appear on your display. It will record your actions in the worksheet. Let's select all and resize the cells according to their contents. Now, let's do some formatting. I will freeze the first row and first column. Let's add borders to all of the cells. I am doing this just as an example. You will have to record your own actions just like this. After you are done, click on Save. Let's name it Format. You can assign a custom button for this macro. Just like this, if I now press Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and 1, the macro will activate. Click on Save. Now, let's go to another sheet. In this sheet, you can see that there is no formatting, just some data. To assign the macro we just created, click on Extensions. In the drop-down, click on Macros. Here is the macro we just created. Let's click on it. If you are using the macro for the first time, it will ask for authorization. After giving the authorization, the macro will activate on its own. Here you can see that the macro has changed this sheet's formatting according to the recorded actions.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.